Hello, this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm here with another Globleland project. I received these cutting dies a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to be working on a project. They are about 2 inches wide by 3 inches, and we're just going to show them off here and see how they cut. Let's see if you know me. Which one of these do you think was my favorite? Put it in the comments down below. I'm using my Sizzix Big Shot with the scrapbook.com magic mat here. I cut the strips off at 2.5 inches so that way I have a little border around the edges, just in case, you know, something doesn't cut right. And I run it about 2 or 3 times, and I also put an extra piece of cardstock under the magic mat so that way it would cut a little better on some of these dies, because some of them were a little more intricate than others, and it took a little extra shim to make them cut all the way through. I'm a little weird, I guess, because I love poking all these little pieces out. It's very relaxing to me. So I'm just here poking on it all. They come out real easy. See the ones on the bottom there? That's why I had to add the extra shim. So I had redid those towards the end. So I did one of each color. I mean, not one of each color. One of each die. So we can make some tags at the end here. So I'll leave all the information for this tag die set down in the description box below, as well as the website for Globleland. So here are all the 6 dies all cut out. So let's start working on some projects. Now I pulled out my watercolor paper and some watercolor paints, and we're just going to add some color. There's no rhyme or reason behind my color choices here. I just wanted to add some colors behind the tags that I just finished cutting. So with all those little intricate cuts, I just wanted some color to pop through. If you're liking this content, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell, because you never know what's going to be coming up on my channel. Now, as this is dried already, we're going to be laying the tags that I cut earlier. And again, there's no rhyme or reason. I just looked around to see what looked nicer behind each panel. And you can use any type of paper behind this. You don't have to use a watercolor paper like I did. But this is one option. You can use a scrapbook paper and just with different colors and put it on there too as well. What kind of project would you use these tags for? Leave it in the comments below. Once all these are dried, because you don't want to cut them before they're dry because they'll start falling apart, we're going to cut them off. And I'm using my cutter bees here. And if you don't know, that Dollar General has cutter bees for $2. Check that out. Not sponsored. I'll be making some more tags to add to my journals in the future. So until next time, be brave, be strong, and create with some tag dies.